Accessible facilities can be found in the front coach of the train.
International, calling at Stratford International and St Pancras International. This train has 6 coaches. There are usually plenty of seats available on this train.
And you see if that, because if the I think the Eurostar's delayed because of either that's in front of it or it's just the weather itself. I think it's delayed by the weather and that because of it goes in. Fuck me, Jesus Christ. It's in my eyes. I knew that to come. Yes.
International and St Pancras International. This train has 6 coaches.
Here is the Eurostar ticket office thing, whatever it is. It's all shut off because Eurostars, since COVID, haven't been stopping here, at least. And then, yeah. It's just the logo I love. Out of everything here, I love the logo the most.
Let me get the train map.
Well,
That's the underground, I think.
well,
Isn't it?
yeah. I'm just doing...
Yeah, this is the underground. That's the southeast.
They don't actually have...
Okay.
Yeah, they don't have the train maps. Ebbsfleet to Gilling. Huh?
Back to
Oh, mine worked. It's probably that.
I've got it resting next to my phone. That's probably
That's
right.
what.
Oh, it's cold, isn't it? You need to wait under that heater.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
15:55 service to Monday via Canterbury West.
Another high speed there, right?
Rashford International.
I think it's-
Train divides.
I think it's on the
Please
back.
make sure you travel in the correct part
There
of
it
the
is
train.
there.
I
Please
know.
travel in the front 6 coaches of the train for Canterbury West, Thanet Parkway, Ramsgate, Broadstairs, and
16.
Margate.
The next train.
6 coaches
See,
of
no,
the
that's
train
going to
detach
London.
and terminate at
Our
Ashford
train's on this
International.
platform here.
Huh?
That's going to London. Our platform's on here. Although, yeah, here's our train.
Okay.
Oh, it's cold.
I've got to do this then.
Platform 2 for the 15:59 service to St Pancras International. Calling at Stratford International and St Pancras International. This train has 12
Southeastern.
coaches. There are usually many seats available on this train. Platform 2 for the 15:59 service to St Pancras International.
This is to Faversham. That one is to St Pancras. Southeastern High Speed. So, yeah. I'm doing it. Oh my. Let's do it. How many coaches is it? Shall we start walking down?
6 coaches.
Okay, we've got to walk down then. Fuck me.
Platform 6 for
Wait.
16:09 service to Faversham. Calling at Gravesend, Scrooge, Rochester, Chatham, Gillingham, Gravesend,
Wait.
Faversham. This train has 6 coaches. Train at Scrooge for
We've got to kind of jog. Because I could... Fuck. Huh?
Will we get on here?
Yeah. No, I can film out the window. I just wish there was somewhere to sit. But there isn't.
You're going to have enough memory to do that.
Huh?
You're going to have enough memory to do that.
What?
Video.
I don't have a limit. Now it's warm in here. That. Now we're actually going. By the way, when we get into Gillingham, I'm filming the train leave. Because then, you know, why not? I'd love Ebbsfleet, especially after today.
Have a good day.
This is a southeastern service to Faversham. We will be calling at Gravesend, Strood, Rochester, Chatham, Gillingham, Rainham, Sittingbourne, and Faversham. We will be calling at Gravesend, Strood, Rochester, Chatham, Gillingham, Rainham, Sittingbourne, and Faversham. The next station is Gravesend.
Yeah, so my mum's probably going to ask how we went. I'd be like, fantastic. Especially the 2 Eurostars have just made me happy. You can see the smile on my face.
We will shortly be arriving at Gravesend.
Just have me a message on the voice notes.
Well, it is getting dark, I will admit. This is the point where I'm just gonna stop filming because that's one thing. Need to charge my phone, so we've got to go through the train, basically finding somewhere to sit.
With a plug socket.
Yes, these trains are always up.
It's coming to rush hour now.
This
right?
is so
it may be that you won't get a seat.
This is the thing.
There may
The
be
interior,
one.
no.
Is that one there? Try that one down there. I think there's a seat
Wait
there.
1 minute.
Do you want me to have a look?
Yeah. Looked at.